are watching Fido's Kaleidoscope.
A to Z, come sing with us. Letters and sounds so happily. A to Z, let's laugh and play.
A to Z, come sing with me. Letters and sounds so happily. A to Z, let's laugh and play. Learning phonics every day. E is for apple, red and sweet, crunchy and yummy, fun to eat. B is for ball, roll and throw, bounce it high or bounce it low. C is for cat, soft and small, it says meow meow one and all. D is for dog, friendly and fun, it wags its tail and loves to run. E is for elephant, big and gray, it sprays water as it plays all day. A to Z, come sing with me. Letters and sounds so happily. A to Z, let's laugh and play. Learning phonics every day. F is for frog, green and bright, hop 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 with all its might. G is for goat, eating grass, jumping around so fast, so fast. H is for horse, strong and tall, it gallops quickly when we call. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet, a yummy drippy summer treat. J is for jaguar, spotted and fast, running through the jungle path. A to Z, come sing with me. Letters and sounds so happily. A to Z, let's laugh and play. Learning phonics every day. K is for kangaroo, jump, 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 hopping around with a thumpity thump. L is for lion, loud and brave, hear it roar, strong and brave. M is for monkey, funny and clever, swinging on trees all day forever. N is for nest, cozy and neat, a tiny bird's comfy seat. O is for orange, round and bright, juicy and tasty, what a delight. A to Z, come sing with me. Letters and sounds so happily. A to Z, let's laugh and play. Learning phonics every day. P is for penguin, black and white, waddling around is a funny sight. Q is for quail, little and shy, running on ground as birds go by. R is for rocket, zoom, 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 flying to space up past the moon. S is for star, twinkle and glow, shining at night up high, you know. T is for tiger, it is strut and strong, it prowls in the jungle all day long. A to Z, come sing with me. Letters and sounds so happily. A to Z, let's laugh and play. Learning phonics every day. U is for umbrella, open wide, it keeps us dry when rain falls outside. V is for van, big and wide, take a fun and happy ride. W is for watermelon, green and round, red and juicy inside is found. X is for xylophone, tap tap play, making music every day. I is for yak, furry and strong, living on mountains all day long. Z is for zebra, stripes so neat, black and white from head to feet. A to Z, we sang today. Letters and sounds the fun way. Clap your hands and shout hooray, we learned our phonics, yay, yay, yay. A is for alligator, 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 chop, 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 hear the sound of the gator. B is for bear, 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 big and strong with fuzzy fur to wear. C is for cat, 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 meow, 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 can you purr like that? D is for dolphin, 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 jump so high and splash in the ocean. E is for elephant, 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 with a long, long trunk, stomp, stomp, stomp. F is for fox, 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 sly and quick, sneaking through the rocks. G is for giraffe, 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 tall and proud with a long, long neck to laugh. H is for hippo, 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 splash in the mud and a wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. I is for iguana, 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 green and bright crawling in the sun. J is for jaguar, 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 fast and fierce running near and far. K is for kangaroo, 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 hop, 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 what can you do? L is for lion, 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 roar so loud the king is flying. M is for monkey, 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 swing, 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 let's be funky. N is for nightingale, 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 tweet, 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 a song in the dale. O is for owl, 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 hoot, 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 who's wise and proud. P is for penguin, 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 waddle, 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 in the snow we're mingling. Q is for quail, 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 run, 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 wagging your tail. R is for rabbit, 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 hop, 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 it's a fun little habit. S is for snake, 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 hiss, 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 slither by the lake. T is for turtle, 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 slow and steady walk through the portal. U is for Uriel, 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 climbing high with horns that spiral. V is for vulture, 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 soaring high with wings like a sculpture. W is for whale, 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 splash, splash, splash with a mighty tail. X is for Zurus, 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 jump and run, we're feeling adventurous. Y is for yak, 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 with long shaggy fur on your back. Z is for zebra, 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 stripe by stripe, see you later. Now we learned our A to Z, with animals as fun as can be. Repeat the sounds and sing along, phonics makes us smart and strong. A is for alligator with a big smiling jaw. B is for bear that loves to find honey. C is for cat that purrs when it's happy. Clap, clap, stomp, stomp, let's sing the animal song. Spin, spin, shout it out, come and sing along. D is for dog, a playful and loyal friend. E is for elephant with a long trumpeting trunk.
a kaleidoscope of joy. Let the adventure begin.